Today I am discussing about basic principles for checking of final bills and recovery of overpayment to contractors. Final bills, after completion of contract, final bills to be submitted by contractor within 3 months of physical completion. Final bill, if contractor is not submitted final bill, then final bill to be submitted to be prepared by MES and progress the final bill accordingly. No claims of contractor to be allowed after submitting final bills. No charges payable to contractor for preparation of final bill. Contractor entitled to be paid some final sum less the value of payment already made, that is RAR. As per condition 66 of 2249, final bill should be paid to contractor within specified time limits. If contract agreements up to 5 lakhs, then final bill to be paid within 6 months. If contract is more than 5 lakh, it is to be paid within 9 months. How to prepare final bill? Which documents to be attached with final bill? First of all, bill forwarding certificate, that is IFW 2254, bill requirement schedule, final contract bill form IFW 2262, statement of stores and recovery of contractor to be effected. Another documents is statement of recovery of T&P, statement of recovery in respect of water supplied to contractor, electricity supplied to contractor, rent for land providing to contractor, work order and deviation orders including copies of approved star rates, requisition and abstract of quantities. Very important document, measurement book, that is to be prepared by concerned engineer in charge and JEs. Demolition certificate with details and is disposal. Completion certificate issued by GE. Correction sheet if any. Financial effect due to amendment. Technical and audit check of final bill. For preparing final bill, we have to supply some documents to contractor. Abstract of quantities of prices, statement of government stores, T&P issued, details of running account receipts which were paid to contractor, consolidated statement of all debits and credits. Before forwarding final bill, checking of stores is mandatory. After last issue of government stores, engine charge prepare a statement of stores on prescribed form, and after initial check forwarded to G for technical check of AG contract. Similarly, G will forward store statement to CW office for technical check, and after receiving final bill will be processed. Technical check of final bill. Technical check of final bill to be done by AG contract in G office and by surveyor of works in CW office. Points to be remember during technical check of final bill. SW, that is surveyor of works, should check at least one final bill at site per subdivision per quarter. Percentage of bills to be checked 100% in respect of contract more than 15 lakh and 25% for other bills, that is less than 15 lakh of gross value of amount. In case of term contract, it is 20%. Another major point is correctness of measurements, correctness of prices of abstract and requisition details, reasonableness of government store issued with quantum of work done, etc. Correctness of recovery towards government stores, T&P and compensation if any for delay. Return of empty containers where applicable. After final technical check by SW, final bill will be processed to audit. All final bills subject to pre-audit by AOGE and all final bills exceeding 5 lakh are subject to pre-audit by CDA, that is control of defense account. Final bill with gross value less than 5 lakh can be paid without pre-audit by controller of defense account. In case of there is dispute in final bill, the final bill to be prepared in 2 parts. Contract agreements up to 5 lakhs. In case no disputes in final bill to be paid to the contractor within 6 months if contract amount is up to 5 lakh, and it is 9 months if contract amount is more than 5 lakhs. When contractor disputes recovery, he may furnish fixed deposit, receipt, bank guarantee bond or equal amount till settlement of disputes. What is about disputed final bills? If contractor disputes the final bill, then final bill and contractor refuse to sign the final bill. A disputed bill where contractor refuse final bill should be processed in normal way and after pre-audit to be kept in deposit. In case any overpayment found in final bill, then it can be adjusted under condition 67 of IFW 2249. Overpayment to contractor can be adjusted within 2 years from payment of final bill. Recovery of outstanding amount can be effected from amount available in same contract, amount likely to become due in same contract, security deposit for the contract, security bond with government, amount available in other contracts, amount due to contractor in other department. Overpayment can be adjusted. Thank you.